Hi children, here's some methods of doing subtraction that we've been practicing. So the first one is going to involve no regrouping. So the first question I've got here is 38 subtract 24. So I'll start by putting it into the columns. Make sure I use my tens and ones to show that the place value of each number. So first things first, I'm going to draw out my 8 ones because that's the first column I work in subtraction and my ones column. So I've started with my ones column and then I need to subtract 4 ones off it. So I can see I'm left with 4 ones there. And now I've put my 3 tens there and I'm subtracting 2 tens, so I'll take off 2 tens there and I'm left with 14 there. My answer at the top. Now on to using regrouping in subtraction. So using this, we set it up like we did before. The problem is this time I do not have enough ones there, so I've got 7 ones, and to take 8 ones I've got not enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cross out my 3 tens, take a 10 off and then regroup it into my ones, so that I can put 10 ones in there. So now I've got 17 ones. When I subtract 8 ones from it now, I'm left with 9 ones. And then the final bit is 2 tens subtract 1 10, which is 1 10. We're done.